Thousands of children in India cannot afford to go to school because their parents live below the poverty line. Bhavna used to be one of these children. However, her life changed after she joined Aarohan, an NGO providing free education to underprivileged children in the Indian capital, New Delhi. Bhavna now teaches Vedic mathematics at the NGO and is also supporting her family.
आरोहन ने मेरी ज़िंदगी में बहुत बदलाव लाया है, क्योंकि अगर आरोहन नहीं होता तो शायद मैं अपनी पढ़ाई पूरी नहीं कर पाती। अगर मैं पढ़ाई पूरी नहीं कर पाती तो मैं एज अ टीचर कभी पढ़ा नहीं पाती और अपनी लाइफ जितना भी बेटर सरवाइव कर रही हूँ उतना नहीं कर पाती। मेरे पापा चाहते थे कि लड़कियों को पढ़ाया ना जाए, इस वजह से मेरे घर में बहुत लड़ाइयाँ हुआ करती थी और उसके बाद हमारे पापा ने हमें घर से निकाल दिया था कुछ सालों बाद। तो इस वजह से अगर आरोहन नहीं होता, तो अगर आरोहन की मैम हमें सपोर्ट नहीं करती, रानी मैम, तो शायद मेरी पढ़ाई पूरी नहीं हो पाती।
Despite the government's initiative to educate the girl child, a lot of parents in India still give priority to boys, choosing to educate them over girls. Bhavna also went through this exact problem. Thanks to the NGOs like Aarohan, who are trying to bring out a positive change in society by bringing these children from street to school.
Our organization is child-centric because a child, he needs a healthy atmosphere to grow up. And we are trying to provide that healthy atmosphere. Whatever helps a child, we are trying to support with. Like a child needs food, we have nutrition program. We have a clothes bank so that a child should not feel that he is below anybody.
The journey of Aarohan started way back in 2005. Since then, with the help of various individuals and organizations, the NGO has been able to transform the lives of thousands of children who would have otherwise become victims of child labor. However, this was not an easy journey.
Working in the field of education, it is really tough because it gives, like, the outcome comes after a long time. When I see, now I say that yes, we have done this work after 10 years time period. The parents in metropolitan cities, when we tried to work on education issues, they all have come with the mindsets to earn. It was very difficult to depart them from child labor.
The NGO believes that if uniform and unbiased education is provided to all children without any discrimination, then stories like Bhavna's will not be an exception, but instead they will be present in every school and locality.
Definitely, I would recommend for uniform education. There should not be any discrimination between like a privileged class or a government school or public school kind of thing. Yes, elite people, they can have choice of going to anywhere, but there is a large, huge gap between government schools and public schools.
Aarohan has definitely made a difference in society by bringing joy to the lives of many. But there are miles to go before true change can be achieved, and this cannot be done by a single NGO. Instead, society has to take charge and encourage children like Bhavna to dream bigger.